Hi friends, welcome to this channel. And in this video, I will show you and tell you how you can easily add music to a Facebook post. Friends, please put your likes, write comments at the end of the video, and also be sure to subscribe to our channel. So, let's get started. And open the Facebook application. Now, in order to create a post, click here. Now you can add a photo, video, or whatever you'd like to put in the post. So, how do you add music? Well, to do that, on the left side at the top of the photo, click Edit. Also at the top now you'll see this sign. Click on it, and you'll have a list of songs that you can add to your post. In order to listen to them, you will need to click play right here. As you can see, this is how you can listen to music. And if you like any of them, then click on the song title itself. And now, as you can see, the song has been added to the publication. And it's going to go like this. The lyrics of the song will be written in the publication. You can drag it to wherever you want it to go. And then click Next. And now you can safely click Publish Post. And then this post with music will be published to you on Facebook. Friends, this is the simple way you can add music to your Facebook post. I really hope this video was useful for you and helped you. Please like it, subscribe to the channel, write your comments, and see you soon.